Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix shift lock not working in Roblox. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Roblox application and click the Roblox icon in the top left corner. From the top menu, select Settings. Ensure the shift lock switch is turned on. If the option says By Developer and can't be changed, it means the game's creator has disabled it for that mode. You won't be able to enable it unless the developer allows it. Next, scroll down to Movement Mode and make sure it's set to Keyboard to plus mouse. Save your changes, then test if shift lock works in your game. If the problem still isn't resolved, open your Start menu, type Settings, and open the Settings window. On the left panel, select Gaming, then go to Game Bar. If Game Bar is enabled, it may interfere with shift lock. Turn off Xbox Game Bar, then restart your computer. After restarting, open Roblox again and test shift lock. It should now function correctly. So that's basically how you can fix shift lock not working in Roblox. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks!